What's up, dudes? This is awesome. We decided to have a cruise in at Poplar Bluff last minute. 1 week deal. We picked a buddy's parking lot. He builds cool hot rod stuff, and it's full. We're seriously going to have to move to a bigger parking lot probably. Come check it out with us. Cool rides everywhere. All right, what's up, dude? John boy, what's your name?
Robert Love.
I already knew his name. I'm just doing it for you guys. Tell us about this thing. It's freaking awesome.
It's a 38 Ford pickup with a small block Ford in it and a Glide, 9-inch ladder bar suspension.
Twin turbo.
Twin turbo.
Heck yeah, boy!
Yeah.
Hey, you know what's super cool about this? He built the whole truck, like everything, like suspension and everything, didn't you?
Yeah.
You had to check out the suspension and all this he built.
Yeah, I built the chassis, wired it, done all the everything.
Yeah, he's bad to the bone, boy.
Yeah.
So you just race it, or what do you do with it?
Yep,
Pretty
I race mainly no prep, small tire, no prep
Cool.
stuff around.
And what else? It's cool because he can actually drive it on the street too.
Yeah.
He didn't trailer it up here; he drove it up here.
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome, dude. Do you have any idea what kind of power it's making?
It made around 1,100 to the tire.
How cool is that?
You know, we didn't want to push it too much, for leaving for
Drag week. Yeah.
So
how much boost you running?
it's been around 23.
That's awesome,
Yeah,
dude. Love your
most
truck, man. It's a good turnout, ain't
Yeah.
it? All right, this is Jimmy Bulls and his awesome Nova. Anyway, tell us about it, son.
It's an awesome Nova. It's a 427 LS motor, twin turbo, power glide, gear fender. It's a street car, race car.
Heck yeah. Drag week car.
Yeah, we took it on drag week. We pulled a trailer, it has a trailer hitch on the back of it.
And a parachute.
Yeah, you gotta have that if you go over 150 mile an hour.
That's cool. You have a parachute on your trailer?
Not yet.
Not yet. Heck yeah. I like it. Like it a lot. How much power are you guessing?
We're not guessing, but it's like 1,400.
It's awesome. He's got a dyno. He's not guessing. How much boost?
So far, we've only ran about 20 on it.
That's cool. 1,400 horse.
Yeah.
What kind of turbos?
Precision 76 millimeter turbos.
Cool car, dude. We like it. Who tunes it? He's a tuner. Rob-o.
Me and Rob.
Yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Well, it's a cool car. We can't wait to see it do some burnout, son. What's up, everybody? This is Mike Armstrong and his 56 Chevy. How long? You had this thing a long time, ain't you?
Bought this car in 2006.
Sweet. Tell us about it. We see the big blower on it.
Yeah, I bought it in 2006. It was kind of set up like this, so I've changed a lot of things on it. It's a 385 stroker.
Sweet.
Got the later model GM block in it. 671
Blower.
wine blower.
Yeah,
Two
baby.
600 hollies on it. When I bought it, had a 4-speed in it. Put a Richardson 5-speed in it.
So it's still a stick?
Still stick.
Heck yeah, brother.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Stock rear end.
Just a hot rod, huh?
Just a hot rod, yeah.
Dude, I love it.
Motor made 722 horse on a dyno at the flywheel.
And what's cool is you drove it over here, didn't you?
Drove it over.
That's what's awesome. Didn't have to trailer that bad boy.
No, I was hoping.
Might have to trailer her home after we're cruising, but.
That's right. Well, I won't trailer it. I mean, maybe you can
Push it?
Yeah, you can push
Heck
it
yeah.
home or something.
No,
like that,
seriously,
yeah.
it's a cool ride, dude. We love it. Sounds awesome. Well, thanks for coming out, dude, and telling us
bet.
about your car.
You bet. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Whoa! Waiter punch!
Ask me about my winner.
too cool, dude. Hey, Mercer. Heck yeah. Man, we figured like 10 or 12 cars. It's a lot better turnout than we expected. Let's see a last minute deal.
Yeah.
Isn't that a cool old truck? It's awesome.
Awesome, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, I rode in it and we got pulled over.
You smell something, Rabbit? Fear.
Imagine
Yeah,
that.
it's like, imagine that. Oh, it's awesome.
How many horsepower is that? 500
6 something. It said, what'd he say in the
I
video?
don't remember what he said.
6 something.
I mean,
It's awesome.
he
drove.
done
Hey,
a heck of a job.
he
I mean,
drove-
there's nothing.
this thing's got 300,000 miles on it, on the motor. He drove it all the way to Smoky Mountains a couple months ago. They had a big Ford deal out there. He drove it from here all the way out there.
With a Chevrolet motor in it?
Yeah. Yeah. He kept the hood shut.
They don't know yet.
Oh, love it.
Got a shiny 390.
Yeah. Shiny 390. It's awesome. Heck yeah, come on, boys. Woo! He gets my heart pumping. Oh! It'll be perfect! Come on, Rob! Woo! Told you William's crazy!
Mother of God.
Dude, you about seen any heavy
Yeah, everybody's seen it, dude. You hit second gear and it went freaking sideways. We're like, oh crap. Then next thing you know, the brake lights are on. Gosh, then Mike passes him at 80 mile an hour doing a burnout. Right, now he ain't stopping to help.
It ain't the first time it's been in the ditch,
Oh,
and it probably won't be the last.
Dang, dude, that was awesome. Yeah, you're going to be like the opening shot, William going in the ditch. Ooh, man, dude.
This is awesome.
Oh my
this
gosh,
is an awesome
dude.
night.
Hey, you haven't rode any yet.
I haven't.
Hey, what do you
Dang.
think? It's freaking awesome, ain't it? Dude, is that not crazy?
That thing has some power.
Did you expect it to be that fast?
No.
Dude, it's crazy.
Dude, how cool is this?
Perfect night, Rob.
You couldn't plan a better night.
We had 1
Yes,
week. We decided to do it last week.
Was it even a full week?
No, dude, how many cars you think showed up?
Oh,
A bunch. And
I mean-
dude, everybody's been hot rodding, doing burnouts. William almost smoked
Whoa.
the tent. Gosh dang,
The
cops
cops
are
are
out.
out.
Oh
That's
my
a good time.
gosh. Well, hey,
time.
dude, we need.
We're not joking. We really
yeah,
are.
seriously.
Right.
But we definitely need to do this again. Like, what do you think? 4 or 5 times a year or
Yeah.
something like that?
3, 4, something.
Dude.
Something where it just keeps growing.
Oh my God.
And we
This
want
is-
you guys here with us.
Hey, this is our first one. How many
And
cars do you think was there?
Seriously, probably
30?
30. I was getting ready to say about 30 probably.
Dude, and
For something
probably,
that we just threw together.
yeah, and probably 50 or 75 people.
And tons of them were boosted.
Yeah, dude, lot of boosted
Boosted stuff.
Boosted behavior,
That's what we do.
baby.
That's what we
Oh
do.
my gosh, I love it, dude. I
Hey,
love it.
You guys need to be here next time.
Yeah.
Wherever
Hey.
you're at, drive down.
Dude.
Enjoy it.
$10 rides. We'll give everybody a ride for $10.
Heck yeah.
That's just to fill the truck up.
Yeah.
Peace, guys. See ya.
All right, guys, like and subscribe.
Yeah, for
We'll
sure.
keep making videos.
Yeah.
See ya.